Me, creating dialogue stories is not actually difficult because this particular AI got you covered. As you can see, I was able to generate this stuff you're seeing
Amara,
here with free
wake
AI
up.
too, and
Morning
you
has
too can
come.
equally do that. And the
Mommy,
crazy part is this:
let
the
me sleep
AI I use
small.
is not GROK. It's a very total free AI tool. That's what I use, and you too can achieve the same thing if only you stay with me from very start to the end of this video so you can actually see the AI. And if you find this video very, very interesting, do well to like, share, and comment. Okay, don't forget, anytime you want to create anything story, you must come up with your dialogue. So this is the script, this is the instruction I gave ChatGPT to use for me, and then I was able to get this as my story script. So after I've gotten my dialogue, then my image prompt, then the next thing I did was just to tell ChatGPT to do what? To generate the image here, because I just don't want to stress myself, copying prompt, going to Flow AI and generate it. So I told ChatGPT to just generate the image to be in a collage format. Now, reason I did this stuff is because I'm trying to manage the free version point that ChatGPT will be giving me, because I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. So when I pasted this, then ChatGPT was able to give me this for both the mother and the daughter to get. So basically now what I'll be doing is just I'll be using this image then to generate any image of my choice. And this one is the most reliable one for generating your consistent images. Then after that, I just went further to tell ChatGPT this: generate 20 more text to image prompt for my story, detailed prompt. That's all. Then ChatGPT was able to give me this. So these are the prompts that I'll be using now to generate my images now. So after you've gotten this stuff, the next thing you need to do is just to go to the next stage, and the next stage is what? Generating your images using Flow. So when you open your Flow, this is how your Flow will look like. Then coming to this place now, are you seeing this place that says video? Since you are generating your image, you have to tap on it and then change it to image. You see that? Now in today's video, I want to generate TikTok and Facebook story. So I'm changing my style from 16:9 to 9:16. Then after you've done that, you are good to go. So I'm just using one image because I don't need to be confused selecting the best image to use. Then after that, you have this. Then the next thing I'm to do now is to bring in that image of those character that ChatGPT generated for me. So to do that, this is what I need to do. So I just want to change this stuff to desktop side, so I should be able to import the image here. That's basically what you see me doing, or that's what is taking part on my phone screen. So once this stuff has opened, scroll down to this place that has this plus sign here. Are you seeing it? Good. So once you click on it, then it will bring you to this part. Here you select this option that says upload media. So when you click on upload media, then it will take you to your phone gallery. So here now, I'm going to import the image that I generated with ChatGPT. Now, boom, the image will be here. The image is coming up here. Now, since I'm waiting for the image, the next thing I'm to do is to crop those images so they stay differently, because I have to be generating the images differently from the other. So what I will have to do is this. So I'm going to open here. This is the image. Then I'm going to crop this image, take the mother out from the daughter. So this is what I'll be doing basically. I seen it. So I'm just going to crop only the mother, then save as copy. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the daughter again. So I'm going to crop the daughter out from the mother as well, which is this. You see that? So this is the daughter. Then I'm going to save it as what? As copy too. So after you've taken a screenshot of this, you have to upload those images again, those shots that you've taken. So this and this, then you select. Good. So once you have these images, now you are good to go. So the next thing you have to do, so you don't be confused, is to convert the screen of your phone back into normal phone screen. So you have to tap on the three dots and then unchecked the desktop side. So once you uncheck, then the screen will be converted to your normal phone screen now. So this is how it will be. So once the stuff is like this, now what you need to do is to come back to your chat GPT. So this is what mother leaving home early morning. So this is a tall, fair skin African mother wearing simple wrapper. So here I'm going to copy this. So when I copy this prompt rather, not image. So when you copy this, then you head over to your Flow AI. So when you open your Flow, what you have to do now is this. Okay, so once this stuff has come up and you've copied your prompt from ChatGPT, don't forget we are working on the model. So I'm going to long press on the model image alone. Then you click on this add to prompt here. So when you click on add to prompt twice, the image will come to this place. Then I'm going to paste the prompt I copied from ChatGPT, which is this, and then don't forget, always make sure that this stuff is in 9:16, and then you hit on your generate. Now this AI is going to generate a perfect image for that particular woman. So I'm going to come back now. This is the daughter sleeping after mother left. So you still click here and then copy this of the daughter. Now you come back to Flow, the same thing. So this is the image of the daughter. You long press on this. Then what you have to click, add to prompt twice. Then you paste the prompt of the daughter. Are you seeing that? Then you hit on your generate. Now look at the mother. Can you see? Now one thing with this particular stuff is this. It will keep giving you consistent image all through. Look at the mother here. Can you see the face, the skin and everything is still intact and the same thing. So let's check that of the mother, the daughter. So as the daughter is going, this is the mother now. Mother walking through Nigerian streets. So you have to copy this of the mother walking through Nigerian script. So when you copy, you go back to Flow here. Now this is the daughter sleeping. Now so here now to do the mother again, so just long press on this, then you click on add to prompt and then paste this of the mother walking through Nigerian streets. So as this stuff is going, then let me do one more image. So this is just closest shop scene. So this is what a tall, this is still the mother again, arranging colorful clothes inside small roadside fashion shop. Then okay, this is still the mother again. So I'm going to copy this of the mother, then come back here again. Now don't forget, reason I'm doing this stuff like this is because I need a consistent image for this particular story, and this is the only way you can maintain consistency when generating your story. So here I'm still going to paste this image of the mother again. You long press on the image of the mother, then bring to prompt and then paste this prompt and send. Now as you can see, I've been able to generate consistency on the mother face in 3 different scenes with different actions. Now let me see if I can still get that of the daughter. Okay, daughter eating while watching phone. Good. So here let me do this number 5 image of the daughter. So I'm just going to copy this of the daughter. So when I copy, then come back here, don't forget what you need to do is just to take that image of the daughter alone, which is this, then to the prompt and paste this prompt here and hit this arrow. So this is just basically how, to come up with consistent image. So after you've gotten your image consistency, or after you've gotten your images for your story, then the next thing is to download the images, which is what I'm doing. Long press, click on download twice, then it will be downloaded. Long press, then click on download twice, it will be downloaded. Then here again the same thing, long press, then click on download twice, it will be downloaded. Now this is the daughter eating and then watching phone, then long press, double tap to download. So after you've downloaded this stuff, let's see if we can do one more image. So mother tired inside shop. Okay, let me do this one that says heavy rain. Or that's just basically how to get your images. So after you've gotten your images, to convert those images into video now, this is the prompt you need for that. So as you can see, any morning, now this is dialogue. Amara, wake up, morning has come. Then mommy, let me sleep small. So this is the dialogue. Now to make this stuff talk, this is what you need to do. Okay, now so once this stuff has opened, what you need to do is just to search for this particular AI, because that's what we'll be using for free to convert our images into a full dialogue. So once this stuff has opened, then first thing you need to do is to click on this place that says open menu. When you tap on open menu, these are basically what you can do with this AI. You can create voiceover, then you can do photo to image, then you can do all image generation, then you can do all image generators. Then Since we are here to like make our images to talk, so I'm going to select photo to image. Then this is going to happen. Now mind you, because you're using the free version of this stuff, you will see a lot of adverts. So all you need to do is to carefully close those adverts. Then this is what that will open for you. Then if you look up here, as you can see, the one that is selected is image to video. Good. Then after that, what you need to do is to click on this place and then import the image you want to convert to video. So you tap on it once, then you select that particular image. If this is the image you select, then you click on done. This image is going to come up here. Then what you need to do is to change the aspect ratio to what you want by clicking on that place. So when you click, you select 9:16, which is this. Then you have to use your hand now and then drag it for the image to fit. Then you click on upload. This image is definitely going to come up here. Then the next thing you need to do now is to click on this place that says write your prompt. So once you tap, you paste your prompt here. So after you've pasted, then the next thing you need to do is to click on generate, and boom, as you can see, this stuff will start generating here. So let's just exercise patience and see how the results will be. Then if at this point you've not subscribed to this channel, it's very important to subscribe and turn on notification sign, guys. So after, as you can see, this AI has actually converted the image into a video for me, not just video but a dialogue one. So let me play this video now for you to actually see how this AI looks like. Video.
Amara, wake up. Morning has come.
Mommy, let me sleep small.
Did you see that? Now, the things I actually want you to take or put into consideration is the voice. It sounds realistic, and then the movement of the character is realistic as well. So I think this is actually good. So after you've gotten this stuff, then you need to download this image. So to download this video, click on these three dots. Then you will see download option. You click on your download option to have this stuff downloaded.